Hey, what's going on, guys? Jack here with Big Wave Window out of Pasadena, California. Today we are doing a window cleaning job and just pressure washing this little concrete walkway. It's about a $300 job, should take no more than 2.5 hours, 3 hours. So we're going to do a time lapse and a job recap of the pressure washing that we're going to film right now. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe and like to the channel. I really appreciate it, and let me know what else you would like to see. Okay, so the first thing I did is I took my 40-degree tip and I pressure washed around the flower pots, the column that you see there, along the walls, pretty much any place where my surface cleaner wouldn't be able to reach. Next, I applied my chemical mix that I was using. In this case, it was 10% SH with some degreaser. I made sure to apply pretty liberally all over the concrete, but I especially paid attention to the bricks where there was green algae growing and moss. And I wanted to make sure some of the chemical would kill that to make the surface cleaning easier. Finally, it was time to clean the rest of the concrete. For this, I used my 16-inch surface cleaner. The surface cleaner is great at effectively cleaning large amounts of concrete without leaving streaks behind. Lastly, all there was to do was to rinse and let it dry so we can see the final product. Overall, everything turned out good. The brick and the stamped concrete makes it hard to get the black stuff out of the pores, but nonetheless, the client was very happy. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed some of the time lapses. I'm trying to get better at filming everything. I broke my tripod, so I'll have to get a new one. But I'm working hard to make the videos good. We started the job at about 1:30 and it's 4:22 right now, so it was about 3 hours, and we made $325 and a bag of chocolate chip cookies. If I'm gonna have to get tipped in any way, it would be with chocolate chip cookies. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, do all that jazz. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you next time.